Welcome to the Social Lens and thank you for watching. In a landmark decision, the Constitutional Court of South Africa has firmly rebuffed the African National Congress (ANC) final bid to appeal a ruling mandating the release of its Cadre deployment records to the Democratic Alliance (DA). The rejection signifies a significant blow to the ANC, compelling it to disclose crucial documents pertaining to its Cadre deployment policy, a move that could have far-reaching implications for the political landscape of the nation. The Constitutional Court's decision follows a series of legal battles initiated by the DA, seeking access to the ANC's Cadre deployment records dating back to January 2013, during the tenure of President Cyril Ramaphosa as the chairperson of the Deployment Committee. The Apex Court's ruling effectively upholds the previous judgments, including that of the Supreme Court of Appeal, which had dismissed the ANC's application for leave to appeal on grounds of lacking reasonable prospects of success. Today, February 19, 2024, marks the deadline for the ANC to comply with the court order and relinquish its Cadre deployment records to the DA. Despite the ANC's efforts to challenge the rulings at various judicial levels, it has now acknowledged the inevitability of abiding by the Constitutional Court's directive. In response to the court's decision, the ANC has declared its intention to meet the stipulated deadline, thereby fulfilling its obligation to hand over records of its Cadre deployment committee meetings to the DA. This move underscores the ANC's recognition of the judiciary's authority and its commitment to upholding the rule of law, albeit under the compulsion of legal mandate. The significance of this legal showdown extends beyond the confines of judicial proceedings, encapsulating broader implications for transparency, accountability, and the integrity of governance in South Africa. The Cadre deployment policy, an integral facet of ANC's modus operandi, has come under scrutiny for its alleged role in facilitating state capture, perpetuating systemic corruption, and contributing to the erosion of service delivery standards. In an official statement released today, the DA hailed the court's decision as a triumph for transparency and the rule of law. The opposition party emphasized its relentless pursuit of accountability through legal avenues, culminating in the culmination of a 3-year legal battle. With the receipt of the Cadre deployment records, the DA has pledged to scrutinize the documentation meticulously to ensure full compliance with the court order. Furthermore, the DA has warned of potential legal action should any attempts be made to tamper with or withhold vital information contained within the records. The party's commitment to transparency and accountability resonates with its broader mission of combating corruption and fostering good governance practices within the South African political landscape. The unfolding saga underscores the complex interplay between political power, judicial oversight, and civil society activism in a democratic society grappling with issues of accountability and transparency. As the ANC grapples with the aftermath of this legal setback, questions linger regarding the broader implications for its internal governance structures, policy frameworks, and public perception. The outcome of this legal battle is likely to reverberate across South Africa's political spectrum. As the nation navigates the aftermath of this landmark ruling, stakeholders across various sectors will undoubtedly scrutinize the implications for the future trajectory of South Africa's democracy. The Constitutional Court's rejection of the ANC's appeal underscores the judiciary's pivotal role. As the ANC complies with the court order to disclose its Cadre deployment records, South Africa stands at a crossroads, poised to confront the challenges in the pursuit of a more just and equitable society. As South Africa prepares for the upcoming elections, the Constitutional Court's decisive ruling and the subsequent handover of Cadre deployment records symbolize a pivotal moment in the nation's political landscape. As citizens weigh their options at the polls, the revelation stemming from the DA's examination of the ANC's records could profoundly shape electoral dynamics, prompting a re-evaluation of trust and credibility among voters. Should the DA uncover compelling evidence implicating the ANC and President Ramaphosa in corruption or misconduct, it could spell significant repercussions for the ANC's electoral fortunes, potentially eroding its support base and catalyzing a seismic shift in South Africa's political landscape. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.